All right, guys. So we had a tree go down in the woods. And I'm just showing you my new Oregon chaps. They're UL leg protection for chainsaw use. I don't know, about, it was 10 years ago now, my buddy gave me a pair of his old used ones. And they worked great, you know, but this go around, you know, I'm up in the mountains here. There's a lot of things going on in these woods. It's tight, it's slippery. And I wanted a little bit more updated protection. I like about them, they got like this Achilles and the calf protection here. I don't know how much they cost. Whatever, it's my legs. There's an artery here. There's a femoral artery. You cut that, you're dead in like 2 seconds. So, gotta wear your gear, especially with this saw I got. It's the Stihl M S or 5, I'm not sure. I should know. M52171 or an S. I think it's an S. But you know, you can see like that's the area, you know. Or sometimes you wind up walking out of the woods and you got this thing and you're walking backwards and come around and catch your back of your leg, man. So I guess safety first. Probably walk with 2 hands. Keep the blade off to the side. There's a cover for this I should have on it. I don't have the proper gloves, but I do have ear protection. These are old, but they came from a guy that was very savvy with safety. So probably about 10 years ago I got these. And then some eye protection. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna show you right now real quick. I'll walk you over to the woods and show you what we got. Project. So, in case you didn't know, on the East Coast, New England, we got a huge, you know, hurricane that came up and basically crashed into the coast of Maine, Halifax area. Didn't blow away the greenhouse. We got some water moving right now. We've had a rainstorm today that was substantial. Let's see what the stream is doing. You guys have seen this in other videos. Now you can see it like at flash flood stages. It's moving, boys. So this tree came down a couple days ago. 50-mile-an-hour wind gusts, maybe more. Complete flood zone. It looks like it's a yellow birch, which is good for firewood. Wow, look at that. That's a big tree for my yard. And it was rotted, so it was soft in here. So that's why she came down. I'm not sure how much firewood we're gonna get out of that one. But the water here today is a little bit rapidy. Rapids. So that's the best case scenario. That tree went down. That's gonna be fun cleanup. Wet, wet, wet. Look, I made a trail and it turns into a mud bog. Look at this. Oh, we got some deer going across the street. Man, we got water flowing. Got my chaps on, chaperonis. Man, look at that. That is the side yard. All right. I'll I'll catch back up with you guys later. Thanks for watching.